Innovative initiatives are constantly emerging in the realm of cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance, each with its own strategy and objectives. The OG's initiative, which stands for Original Gangsters, is one such endeavor that has attracted a lot of interest. A Mimify startup called OG seeks to bring together the entertaining and contagious qualities of memes with the business prospects offered by DeFi. We shall discuss the idea of OGs as a Mimify project, its aligned characteristics, and its potential influence on the crypto community in this essay. The Ethereum blockchain-based decentralized ecosystem OGs uses the influence of memes and social interaction to produce a cutting-edge DeFi experience. With the initiatives, users will be able to take advantage of a variety of financial possibilities while participating in a meme-centric economy which strives to close the gap between fun and finance. Meme generation and sharing. On the OGS platform, users may make and distribute memes about cryptocurrency, DeFi, and other pertinent subjects. Memes are become an essential component of online culture since they frequently spread quickly and spark trending topics. OG seeks to engage and amuse its community while organically promoting the project by utilizing the power of memes. Memes NFT. The idea of meme non-fungible tokens NFTs is presented by OGs. NFTs, special digital assets that can be purchased, sold, and traded on numerous platforms, have skyrocketed in popularity in recent years. Users of OGs have the option to mint meme NFTs, which signify ownership of particular memes produced within the ecosystem. Within the OG's ecosystem, these meme NFTs may be gathered, exchanged, or even used as security for loans and borrowing. Staking and yield farming. OGs provides staking and yield farming options to encourage involvement and give users cash benefits. Users can wager their own NFTs or OGs tokens to get incentive like more tokens. Additionally, OGs presents novel yield farming techniques that take into account meme related ideas and topics, making the process interesting and fun for users. OGs is a firm believer in the merits of deliberative democracy. The project has a governance structure that allows token holders to actively influence the ecosystem's direction. Users may participate in the general growth and development of OGs by voting on ideas, suggesting new features, and more.